Look at that, Coffee and Cars Leonardtown. I got a pretty good turnout. Sunday. I'm John. This is Out of Water Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Let's see what we can get into. Let's see, where to start. This Chevelle. This thing's neat. It's got 4-speed and small block Chevy, big cam, cold air conditioning. That's neat. Ooh, look at that. Yes, indeed. 427 Corvette. Wow. 4-speed. Bet you the shifter knob gets pretty hot in there. Hey, look. It's a couple of the usual suspects. Actually, 3 of the usual suspects. Here's Walt's super clean 57 Chevy. We've seen this a lot of times before. Small block, all correct. Look at the interior. Man, this thing is beautiful. Stock hubcaps, wide weights. It's Billy's 64 Biscayne. Usually the hood's up. Like the transparent-ish hood scoop. Look at the cup holders made out of Axle coil housings. Even has a back seat. It's got small block stick. There's Tim's 57 sedan delivery. Pretty neat. So it's got small block and a stick in it as well. Beautiful. How about Mark's 2012 GT500 Striped Elite Mustang. It's lowered a little bit. It's nice. Really nice. How about this thing? It's got the custom extended cab. Give you a lot more room inside. Nicely done. Small block. Love the valve covers. There's a couple of Mustangs. The newer 5.0s. Here's one of the 2.3 turbo. So let's see. There's the socials. And Pax River Mustang Club. It's a convertible. There's 2 convertibles. There's another Mustang convertible. These guys are getting ready to leave, so we'll get them on the way out. Hey, how you doing? Equally nice IROC Z. Really neat. Let's check out this 56 Ford. You can tell it's a 56 by the wraparound windshield. Quite nice. Here we have our 2008 Pontiac G8 GT. An older Honda. And the moist Plymouth Street Rod. I think it's on a GM chassis. A nice setup in there. Oh, we almost missed this Rally Sport Camaro. I like the green. Very nice. F-150s flying the American flag. That's pretty good. People hiding out from the sun in there. Nice little turnout today. So here's the Corvette. I think we've seen him at another show. Also, be sure to check out Cornrows and Car Shows. He's got a YouTube channel. He's out in Iowa. He does car show coverage. I'll put a link here on the screen and then also in the description. Subscribe to him if you can. Let's get him up to 1,000 subscribers. He's got 400 and some odd now. Thanks a lot, folks. That'll do it. Cars and Coffee in Leonardtown. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Really appreciate it. We'll hope to see everybody on other videos. Thanks a lot, folks.